Myself, Prabha, Dr.C.Nithya, Assistant Professor from Commerce with Information Technology. In Business Information Technology, now we are going to see about the introduction to computer. Computer is an electronic device that accepts the input and processes it according to the stored instructions and outputs and processed information. It can store data and instructions in memory and can be used for a wide variety of tasks including calculations, data manipulation and communication. Input, processing, output, storage, hardware and software. In input, data is entered into the computer through devices like keyboards, mice or scanners. In processing, the computer's central processing unit, that is CPU, performs operations on the data based on the instructions in the computer. Output, the processed information is displayed on monitor, printed or stored in a file, and then the storage, computers store data and instructions on hard drives, solid state drives or other storage media's components. However, the physical components of a computer including the CPU, memory storage devices, input and output devices and peripherals. Software, the instructions and programs that tell the computer that what to do, and including the operating system and application programs. Next, characteristics of computers. Computers' key characteristics include speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, memory, and storage. These traits enable computers to perform complex tasks quickly and efficiently and to store and recall vast amounts of information. Here's some detailed look at each the characteristics like speed, accuracy, automation, diligence, versatility, memory storage. In that speed, computers can process data and perform calculations at incredible speeds, often millions or billions of operations per second. In accuracy, computers are highly accurate in their calculations and data processing as they operate in binary systems, that is zeros and ones. In the diligence, unlike humans, computers can work continuously without fatigue or errors, performing tasks repeatedly and accurately. The versatility, the computers can be programmed to perform a wide variety of tasks, for simple calculations to complex, simpler simulations by changing their programs. In the memory, computers have both short-term, that is RAM, and long-term hard drive memory to store data and programs. The storage, computers have significant storage capacity to store large amounts of data, including documents, images, videos, and more. Next one, generations of computers. The computers had evolved through 5 main generations, each marked by significant advancements in hardware and software. The first generation used vacuum tubes, the second used transistors, and the third integrated circuits, the fourth one microprocessors, and the fifth focus on the artificial intelligence. Each generation brought improvements in speed, size, reliability and cost. Here's a more detailed look at each generation's technology, that is first generation in 1940 to 1956. In the technology, the vacuum tubes are used. In the characteristics like large, bulky and used for basic mathematical calculations and military application. Example, ENIAC. Second generation is through 1956 to 1963. The technology used here is transistor. Characteristics is smaller, faster, reliable, and used for business data processing and scientific research. Example, IBM 704, third generation. That is through 1964 to 1971. Technology used here is integrated circuits. Characteristics even smaller, faster, and more powerful, enabling multitasking and real-time processing. Example here is IBM System 360. And fourth generation is through 1971 to at present. Here the technology uses microprocessors